Hi everyone, this is Manas Khanduja. Students and parents, in the given session, I would talk about the Karnataka NEET UG Counselling Round 1 tentative schedule. Okay, since MCC has declared their schedule and also the timelines for the state counseling, we are gonna see what can be the tentative schedule for Karnataka state counseling. Okay, so Karnataka, in the morning, I upload a video regarding the document verification process in Karnataka. Document verification process that would happen for some of the particular categories which I mentioned in the video from 4th to 8th August. Okay, so that would be going on. So the choice filling most probably cannot start till 8th of August. Also for clause C and clause D that have registered in the second window of registration, they need a Kannada language test. Okay, so that would also be held, I guess, in this week. This is 1st August, Saturdays. Okay, so obviously it would be most till by 8th 9th August you would see a Kannada language test also. Okay, and further Karnataka State Counseling has a mock round. Okay, mock round we consider it as a zero round. Okay, it gives you an idea what are the possibility for you in an actual round one. Okay, so that you do choice filling with utmost care. Okay, like if you just mention 10 colleges, considering your rank 1,30,000 to be very good, and you get none of them. So in mock allotment gives you an idea whether you are being overconfident or underconfident. Okay, so that is the mock allotment. So Karnataka State Counseling, if we talk about the MCC timeline for state counseling, they have given this window 13th to 22nd for the state counseling, and the admission process last date of joining is 28 August. Okay, so the Karnataka State Counseling choice filling allotment result should be between 13 to 22nd. Okay, now if I consider that they require a mock allotment also, so they might start the choice filling before 13th August for mock allotments. Okay, because they would release the mock allotment result, then student would get a reference from them and change their option entries. Okay, so that mock allotment should come prior to the actual round one. Okay, so mock choice filling might start from round one if Karnataka State Counseling is gonna do the mock allotment, and you would see the admission process for round one would end before 28 or exactly at 28 as the MCC guidelines have shared. Okay, so you are listening that there is this physical, non-physical reporting, that we do not have to visit the college, okay, for upgrade option. So in Karnataka last year also, if you get a seat in round one, okay, like for example, I have written all the colleges of Bangalore and my rank is 78,000 and I got East Point Bangalore in the round one. Now I want East Point Bangalore, but I still wanna try for maybe Akash, or if sometimes if luck is in my favor, then Kempegoda. So I could go for float option, which is upgrade. Okay, the new terms are float for the 2026 counseling. So for float also in Karnataka last year, they need to pay the fees. Okay, the fees is actually, you may be from Karnataka or maybe from other state, you can pay the fees at your end. It would be 12 lakh rupees. Okay, while there is no need to visit the college if you are going for upgrade. But if I am from other state, my priority is Kempegoda and my rank is 38,000 and I get Kempegoda in the first round only. So there is no need for me to try for an upgrade. This is the college I wanted. So then I freeze this option and thus it is required for me to go to the college. So that is the basic difference between freeze and float. Okay, but my point was not discussing the Karnataka State Counseling rule. I would actually make a video regarding the KEA information bulletin. Okay, whenever they upload a voucher for 26 counseling for me. Okay, but these are the basic difference between freeze and float. Okay, first rounds are always free exit. So if you get a seat and you do not want, like I got East Point and I heard that it's not a good college, so I skip that college and can participate in round second. So first round are always free exit in most of the states and MCC counseling. Okay, so I believe Karnataka State Counseling would start the choice filling if they are going with the mock allotment prior to 13th August. But 13th August, you might see choice filling started. So the students that have to do the document verification, most probably their document verification, see the deadline is 8th August, but they haven't given a window for the other clauses and the candidates that would give the Kannada language test. Okay, so the document verification for most of them would end before this 13th August, and you might see mock choice filling started before 13th August. Okay, and your round one would end before the September begins if there is no delay in the end of MCC. So first MCC result would be released and then Karnataka State Counselling result would release. Okay. So with this, I end my session. You know that I do counseling via one-on-one call sessions. Okay, which the sessions can be booked by texting on the above WhatsApp number. In this session, it's a call-based session, 40 minutes duration. You can discuss each and everything. Your rank is 89,000. You are a general merit candidate. You are hoping for a government seat. But what are the other 12 lakh per annum colleges you can keep as a backup? What if you don't get a seat in 12, 1 lakh 50,000 fees? Maybe your rank is 1 lakh 30,000, and what are the 12 lakh per annum seats option? Your rank is more than 2 lakh. Sir, what are the good private universities in Bangalore? Pest or Dayanand Sagar? Or should I just opt BGS Global? My rank is 4 lakh. Okay. So those things can be discussed on that in that session. Okay, I do for Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Deem. You can join my Telegram, Manas Khanduja 1430 for all their updates. But the above WhatsApp number is to book single session, and that can be book obviously by texting on the above WhatsApp number. There is no need to call on that. Okay, so Karnataka State Counselling, if you are a clause by candidate, that means other state candidate, there is no need for you to do the document verification. Just keep on visiting the website. They might start the choice filling prior to 13th August also. Okay, because they do mock allotment. Okay, so all the best for your MBBS counseling. This was Manus Khanduja.